In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Google Chat directly from your Gmail account. Let's dive in step by step so you can seamlessly integrate chatting into your email workflow. First things first, you'll want to open Gmail. To do that, head over to your web browser and type in mail.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your Google account credentials. If you're already logged into Google in your browser, Gmail should open immediately. Now that you're in your Gmail inbox, take a close look at the left sidebar. This is your command center for all things related to Gmail and more. You'll notice several sections displayed there. Among them, you should see options like Mail, Chat, Spaces, and Meet. These are various Google services that you are ready to use. To start using Google Chat, simply click on Chat. This will open your Google Chat conversations right inside Gmail, making it easy to send messages without having to leave your inbox. However, if you don't see the chat section in your sidebar, don't worry. This simply means it may need to be enabled manually. Let's walk through how you can turn that on. Begin by clicking on the settings icon, which appears as a gear in the top right corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select See All Settings. Once you're in the main settings menu, locate the Chat and Meet tab towards the top of the page. Click on that. In the Chat and Meet settings, look for the Chat section. You should have a few different options here, including Google Chat, Off, or possibly Classic Hangouts. Make sure to select Google Chat. If you notice that the setting is currently marked as Off, or set to Classic Hangouts, all you need to do is switch it to Google Chat. After making this selection, don't forget to click on Save Changes. This will prompt Gmail to refresh, and you'll now notice that Chat has appeared in your sidebar, ready for use. With Chat now visible, you're all set to start a conversation. Head back to the Chat section, and this time click on the plus icon, which serves as the new Chat button. In the dialog box that pops up, type the name or email of the person you want to message into the provided field. Once you've entered the correct information, go ahead and press Enter. Instantly, your chat window will open, and you're ready to start your conversation. And voila! You're now able to use Google Chat directly from Gmail. It's a simple and effective way to communicate and keep everything organized in one place. If you have any questions or encounter issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy chatting!